Understanding everyday English. Have a great day. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and friendly phrase you've probably heard or will hear often. Have a great day. Understanding not just the words, but the sentiment and context behind them can really help in both social and professional settings. So, let's dive in. Have a great day is a phrase used to wish someone a pleasant and enjoyable day. Literally, it means the speaker hopes that your day will be filled with happiness and success. However, it's not just about the literal words. It's a standard polite farewell. Almost like saying goodbye but with an extra touch of warmth and kindness. You might hear, "Have a great day," in various scenarios, from casual to formal. It's commonly used at the end of a conversation or meeting, when leaving a place, like a store or a restaurant, at the end of a service interaction, like after paying at a supermarket. As for how to use it, you can simply say, "Have a great day," with a friendly tone and a smile. It's versatile and suitable for both friends and strangers, making it a safe choice when you want to be polite and positive. In English-speaking countries, this phrase is quite ingrained in daily interactions. It's part of the culture of politeness and positivity. You might also hear variations like, "Have a good day," slightly less enthusiastic but still warm and friendly. "Have a wonderful day," a bit more emphatic, expressing a deeper wish for the person's day to be truly special. Understanding these nuances can help you respond appropriately and feel more at ease in different social situations. Today, we unpacked the phrase, "Have a great day," uncovering its meaning, usage, and the warmth it conveys in everyday interactions. Remember, it's more than just a farewell. It's a kind wish, a sprinkle of positivity in our daily lives. So, as we wrap up this video, I'd like to say, have a great day, and I hope this has been helpful in your journey to mastering the English language.